In this video, I want to share with you a GPT that I made for listing your digital files onto Etsy. Hello everyone, my name is Mike. I'm a full-time print-on-demand seller. I make YouTube videos showing you how to make more money on merch-on-demand and other print-on-demand platforms. If you like this kind of content, you get any value out of this video, make sure you subscribe to the channel, click the bell, and like the video. Now, before I share with you that Etsy GPT, just want to do a quick sales update for merch-on-demand and for Etsy. So today is Monday, March 31st, last day of the month. It is 6:27 a.m. In the morning, and already got one return. But yesterday, pretty good day on merch, did $77. That is going to put me at, or 37 sales and $77. That's going to put me at 1,276 sales for the month and $2,431 in royalties for March. And since this is an Etsy video, I figured I would show my Etsy sales from yesterday. So yesterday, March 30th, I did 5 sales, $95 in revenue. That is not profit, that's revenue. I sold 4 t-shirt orders and 1 digital file. And then if we go to take a look at my monthly stats, we'll see for this month. Not as good as last year. I think I'm down, 16% from last year, but no big deal. I'm not going to stress too much about it, but if you want to follow me on Instagram, where I post my daily sales for both merch on demand and Etsy, the link is in the description. I also post like gym pics, entrepreneur pics, family pics, just like my life down here in Mexico. I'm born and raised in Mill Valley, California, but I've been living in beautiful Puerto Vallarta, Mexico for the past 19 years. So like I said in the intro, I created a GPT that will help you list your Etsy digital files. I specifically made it for PNG files, Tumblr wraps, and wall art. And the reason I chose those ones is because those are the ones that I mainly sell on my shop. But if you want, I can add other things like SVGs as well. So this is it right here. I named it Digital File SEO Lister. The GPT won't let me put Etsy in the actual title, so that's why you don't see Etsy there. But here's what it does. It generates titles, tags with commas, which makes it very easy to copy and paste into Etsy, and Etsy descriptions for digital downloads. Now, I do have to put a disclaimer in here because even though the GPT does know not to use anything that's trademarked, it also knows what Etsy's best practices are. It is not perfect and it can make mistakes, so just always double check for trademarks before uploading to Etsy. But there's a couple things you can do here. You can just upload your design, like if you have a PNG file, or you can just type it in. Me personally, I've been getting better results just with typing it in. Now, I also made an Etsy GPT for POD, for your title, tags, and description as well. For that one, I like to just upload a design. But here, let me just go ahead and show you how it works. So we got Easter coming up. That's the next big holiday. So I figure I'd do an Easter example. So Easter egg PNG file. And you just hit enter. And right here, we're going to see first the optimized title. And I've instructed it not to do any keyword stuffing, just to follow Etsy's best practices. And for some reason, it's taking more time. I think it's because my internet's a little slow. Let's give it a second here. Okay, so right when I hit pause, it started to go. Right here, we're going to see product title, colorful Easter egg, sublimation PNG, cute spring holiday clip art for sublimation projects. So you got a really nice title right here. And here we got the 13 tags. Oh, and for the title, it knows not to it knows how many character spaces the field is, the metadata field is for Etsy. And then here we got the Etsy tags. So let's take a look at these. Easter PNG, Easter sublimation, Easter egg design, spring PNG file, Easter clip art, cute Easter design. Well, what the hell was that? Easter bunny PNG, sublimation PNG. So you can just see these are really nice. There's 13 of them, and it knows that there's only 20 character spaces. So it doesn't do ones that are longer. So it just makes it nice and easy to copy and paste. Like I said, I put the comma after. And it also knows not to repeat certain tags. It knows to use words like gift and things like that. So it's actually pretty intelligent. And then it actually makes us a really nice product description. Now, this is more kind of like a template because, maybe maybe you offer returns, maybe you don't offer returns, maybe, you're doing personalization, maybe you're not. So this is more, was created more to use as a template. I basically just copied the description that I use and put it in here. And so you can, use mine, or like I said, you can use that as a template and just kind of put in, take out, do whatever works best for you. But let's go ahead and just see how this looks onto Etsy. So I'm just going to copy the title and let's go to a new Etsy page right here. And we can see here, we just pop that in like that. Fits nice and easy. Now let's go ahead and take a look at the tags. So we're just going to copy and paste this, go back to Etsy, and I like to click on shipping and then just scroll up real quick. Oh, whoops, I passed it right here. So let's see. Okay, they all fit nice and easy. Look how easy. Look how nice and easy that is. And I actually spent all of Saturday and all of Sunday uploading onto Etsy because, you know, with this GPT, it just makes it a lot easier and quicker. You know, before, when I have like 10 designs, it's kind of a pain in the butt because I have to get all the titles, the tags, and it can be a little annoying, but this just makes it really easy. And you can see, you know, these are good quality tags, very diverse, nothing repeating. And let's go ahead and take a look at the description. So again, for the description, we can just copy and paste this right here. Get a nice description. And if there's like something you don't like maybe you do like the keyword stuff for like the title, you know, I'm guilty of keyword stuffing or copying other people's titles. You know, you can say, hey, give me a different title, you know, add more keywords if you want, so you can mess around or play with it. And let's go ahead and just go back here and find the description field, which is right here. Okay, so right here you got a nice description as well. So that's how it works for PNG files. Now let's go ahead and take a look at like maybe like a Tumblr wrap. So let's stick with Easter egg Tumblr wrap, and hopefully it doesn't take its sweet time like last time. Internet is not always the best down here in beautiful Mexico. Again, it's taking its time. Come on, man, messing up my video. So again, right when I hit pause, it started to go. Okay, so here we got one for a Tumblr wrap. So Easter egg Tumblr wrap, colorful spring sublimation for 20-ounce skinny tumblers. We got the tags right here, real nice, and makes it real nice and easy for us to just copy and paste and put these into Etsy. And then here is the product description. You know, like me, I offer them for both commercial and personal use. So, you know, if you don't do that, you can use this more like a template, like I was saying. And then right here, it has like design, size, and specifications. So this is what I use for my tumblers. So again, you know, maybe you do something different and you want to switch that out. So you just want to go through this, the usage terms, printing compatibility. So you see it's actually pretty good description right here. And again, you can just copy and paste that. And then let's just do the last example, because I also sell wall art. So let's go with like maybe like coffee shop. I have a good coffee shop wall art design that sells well on Etsy. So coffee shop wall art. And again, we'll hit enter. Probably gonna have to wait again. This time we'll just stick it out here so I don't have to pause the video. But comment below, let me know what you guys think about this this GPT. Personally, as an Etsy seller that has been selling on Etsy, sorry about the noise, that has been selling on Etsy for the past 7 years, I have to admit this is pretty cool and just makes things really nice and easy peasy. Okay, so here we got for wall art, so coffee shop, printable wall art, cozy, neutral, decor for kitchen, cafe, or office. Here we got the tags, like kitchen art print, coffee quote print, neutral wall art, coffee shop decor. So a lot of like diverse keywords that we got in here. Barista, that's a really good one. Drink coffee, coffee sign, modern. So you can see it does a good job with the tags. And then here we got the description. So the way I do my descriptions is the way I do my descriptions for my wall art is I offer 2 files, a PDF and 1 JPEG. And these are the sizes that I offer. So again, you know, use this as a template. Maybe you're offering larger wall arts, different files, things like that. So you just want to go through here and, like I said, you know, take things in, take things out, put things in. But that is how this works. And again, you can also just upload a file from your computer. Now, if you do that, I'd recommend you also just kind of say what it is, you know, say like, oh, this is a PNG file, or this is a Tumblr wrap, or this is a wall art, just so it knows. It'll give you better results. All right, but comment below, let me know what you think about this GPT. Oh, and a couple things I forgot to mention, you know, to access GPTs, you know, first, if you don't know what a GPT is, it's basically like a mini ChatGPT for a very specific subject. You do have to have the Plus plan on ChatGPT, which is $20 a month. There's no way I can get around this or get around that. And this GPT, I'm only offering on my SKOOL community. So if you're interested, the link for that is in the description. Now I want to share with you my SKOOL community. So if you don't know what SKOOL is, it's basically a paid Facebook group, but on steroids. And who this SKOOL community is basically for print-on-demand sellers and for people that sell digital downloads. I started as, you know, mainly for merch on demand, but I realized that, you know, it's probably better if I branch out to other platforms as well, like Etsy. So what you get when you become a member is every day you get daily niches and prompts every day right at this time, 6 in the morning. I get up early. I actually get the niches from the night before, so it's all ready to go. And so every day you're going to be getting 4 niches. It's 2 trending, 2 evergreen, and then you also get prompts that you can use for those niches as well that you can pop into Ideogram. And then you also get access to the classroom section, which is where there's a lot of value. So basically I've just been making this course for merch on demand, A to Z prompt creation, how to write your listings, 3 design styles for evergreen niches, how to do your ads, how to protect your account, how to find trending niches. I'm going to make one for how to find evergreen niches. Then I got these value videos about 30 proven animal phrases, 30 proven food phrases. I'm going to be adding one for careers as well. Then I have these Word files of 100 prompts for each month. I'm almost finished with the one for June. And then where I think people are finding the most value in my SKOOL community is with these GPTs that I've been creating. So I have an SEO one for merch to write your listings. I also have an SEO for Etsy to write your print on demand listings like t-shirts, mugs, stickers. It will give you just like what I just showed you for digital. This is for, print on demand. Get your listings for you, your title and tags. That's what I want to say. This Etsy, this digital file SEO lister is the one that I just showed you to write your listings for digital files. I got this t-shirt prompt one, so you can upload a design. If you don't want to just do a straight up copy, you can pop the design into here and it will give you some different variations, ways that you can kind of differentiate yourself, so you're not just doing straight up copy AI designs. This one right here is Mikey's AMS Merch Assistant. So this is for your merch on demand ads. Then we got this crossover GPT, which I really like. If you have a hard time coming up with original ideas, what you can do is you can pop in a niche here. So let's say Easter, and it will go ahead and it will cross niche it with over 100 other evergreen niches, teacher, Bigfoot, aliens. There's a whole bunch, all the main ones for merch on demand or print on demand. It will cross over that, Easter niche or whatever niche with those 100 other niches. And then I've been having a lot of fun making these very specific GPTs for specific niches. So I have a GPT for faith and Christianity. You can pop in a niche and it will cross niche with a whole bunch of faith. It'll give you a whole bunch of faith and Christianity ideas. Same for teacher, military, automobile. I'm going to be making one for aliens this week, and for grandma and grandpa. And then here are just some bonuses that you get just for signing up. So you get 100 evergreen niches. You also get 500 evergreen prompts. And then the more you engage, comment, and post, you get points. And then the more points you get these holiday prompts that I give out. We also do a once a month mastermind group. I actually need to set this up. We just did it last Friday, had a good time. And the other thing, you're just part of a positive community where people want to, help you. It's not I'm in a lot of the other Facebook groups, and a lot of times you post a comment and you just get a bunch of smart ass, replies. It's not very friendly. Here, it's not like that. This is a positive community where people are trying to help you reach your goals. You get direct access to me. So if you're interested, you click on the link. It will take you to this About Me section right here. You can watch the video and you can read what you get. And it's only 80 cents a day or $24 a month. I might be, or actually I am, I'm going to be increasing. I say it right here. Price increases to $49 after 100 members. Right now we're sitting at $37 and growing. So if you're interested, sign up. You can cancel at any time, no questions asked. But that's going to be it for today's video. Thanks so much for watching. Comment below. Let me know what you think about the this GPT that I made for digital downloads. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Adios.